Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you how to make cherry. I am using a 5mm crochet hook. I have made one circle with red color yarn already. To make the second circle, make a slip knot with this red color yarn. I am using number 5 steel crochet hook, which is equal to 2mm. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4. Make a slip stitch into the first chain to form a ring of chain, and we are going to start our work in this ring of chain. So make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet, and make a double crochet into the ring by pulling the yarn through 2 loops 2 times. Wrap the yarn around crochet hook, drop a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet. So this is simple regular double crochet stitches, and we are going to make 15 double crochet stitches into this ring. You can make more if you want as well, if you want your cherry to be bigger in size. Now cut the yarn, cut this starting yarn end which we have woven inside these stitches as well. Now pull the yarn, and we are going to weave this yarn end with the help of needle to make a chain loop ending. This method is used. So with the help of needle, we are going to pull the needle through second stitch through both loops like this, and then we are pulling the needle through backside loop of this last stitch, and we will get even chain ending like other stitches. And now weave this yarn end through some backside stitches. Make a knot like this to secure the work as well. Now cut this yarn, and our 2 cherries are ready. Now we are going to make little branches with leaves with this green color yarn. So first of all, make a slip knot. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 18. We will make 18 chains. Now into the second chain, we are going to start our work. Make a slip stitch into this second chain. Into the next chain, make a single crochet stitch like this. Pull the yarn through 2 loops. Wrap the yarn around crochet hook. Go into the third chain. Drop a loop. We have 3 loops on our hook. Pull the yarn through all 3 loops together. Half double crochet stitch. Then pull the yarn through 2 loops and then through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. This is double crochet 1. Into the next chain, make double crochet 2. Then into the third one, make double crochet 3. And into the next one, make a half double crochet stitch. Then a single crochet stitch into the next one. Repeat the same process again. Slip stitch, single crochet stitch, half double crochet stitch into the next chain, and then we are going to make 3 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, and then again half double crochet, single crochet, and then slip stitch. Pull the yarn, cut it with the help of cutter, remove the extra yarn strand, and 2 leaves are ready. Weave these 2 yarn ends as well in some backside stitches, and now we are going to attach these leaves and cherries together. Take one cherry, and we have made a slip knot of this yarn strand already. Attach this yarn strand in any stitch and start making chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Make a slip stitch in the center point of this leaf where we have made slip stitch, and then we will start making chains for the other side. So make 12 chains again. After making 12 chains, make a slip stitch in any stitch of second cherry. Pull the yarn, cut it with the help of cutter, remove the extra yarn strand, and weave these 2 yarn ends at the back side of cherry with the help of needle. So this is our beautiful cherry project. You can use it on different crochet projects like cardigans as well. So give this video a big thumbs up if you like, and do not forget to subscribe to get more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself and family. Bye.